All right, this is also a brand new item here at QVC, and I think it's going to be really popular. This is called iRemember. It is a talking pill cap. So it's an organizer too. It will remind you when it's time to take your medications. It keeps track of when you last opened the bottle. And if you have to take medications of any kind, or you're a caregiver to someone who does, you understand how hard it is to organize, to remember when to take them. And in fact, about half of the people that take medication either overtake it, undertake it, or take it at the wrong time. And when you are taking medication, it's incredibly important to be organized. This is brand new to QVC. We've taken $10 off the price that it will be, kind of like as an introductory, let's try it out. $17.49 is all you have to do to get it home on Easy Pay. And there's even an app with different languages, and you can record your own voice or maybe your children's voice to say like, Grandma, remember to take your pill this morning. I love you. The 46461 is your item number. I'm so excited to introduce you to Greenberg. He is the inventor of the iRemember, and he's going to take us through exactly what it does, and then I can't wait to hear the story about how you invented this. Welcome into QVC.
Thank you very much.
Come on in.
I'm very happy to be here. Hello, everybody.
Show us. First of all, let's hear what it sounds like.
Yes.
And tell us a little bit about it.
Great. So iRemember is really addressing a major issue with medication management. We want to keep it as simple as possible. So without requiring a phone initially, you can go ahead and get reminders to take your medication on either once a day, twice a day, or 3 times a day. You'll get a pill time message. But the big challenge we all have is we forget, did we take our medication?
Yeah.
And with a button on top, you push the button and you'll just hear last time it was open. So when I push the button, I'll hear
last opened 18 minutes ago.
18 minutes ago.
18 minutes ago. If I were to open it, I get a light, I get a sound. Now when I hear it,
last opened 1 minute ago.
Oh, wow.
with that simple information, you get the value of knowing right away, did I take my pills or did I not?
Right.
And that peace of mind is worth a lot of value.
And whether it's you remembering if
Correct.
you did or not, or a caregiver going, I don't see the pills here. They weren't supposed to take them until later today. You press on that and you find out, ooh, it was 18 minutes ago. It shouldn't have happened till later today. Call the doctor, do whatever you need to do. But otherwise, you wouldn't know when they were taken unless you had that. And now you don't need to have a smartphone or use the app at all. But if you want to, then you can put in different languages. You can record your own voice or a child's voice. My mom always says with my dad, who she's the caregiver of, she's like, I'll tell him to do something and he won't do it. But if one of his granddaughters says it, he'll do it. So even, I mean, there's that connection, and there's the bringing all of the generations together
Absolutely.
in the caregiving of someone.
We have to look out for one another.
Yeah.
So I'll demonstrate now in Spanish. So because it was already loaded, I'll check it.
Abierto por última vez hace 1 minuto. Abierto por última vez hace 1 minuto.
Okay,
All
so
right.
then you go on your app, and
Or
then
we
if you
have it-
want to change it,
Last opened
Yeah, so with the app, you can go ahead and change a language. But
and
the
which languages can you?
right now we have it in English, Spanish, Russian, Hindi, and Chinese, and we can expand beyond those as well.
Wow.
Now the cap can be fit onto compartments. You can take it just for the day. If you forget your major medication is the middle of the day where you forget, just connect one compartment, put it in your purse, and you're ready to go. If you want to organize your doses, you can just open the compartments up. If you need to take the dividers out, you can take them out. But another unique value of the product is the cap can actually fit onto pharmacy bottles.
This is amazing. Because if you want to keep the information that's on the
Absolutely.
medicine bottle,
Absolutely.
and you're like, well, what if I have a small one? What if I have a larger one? It's going to adapt. And that's what you're getting here at QVC. You're getting the 2 adaptable extenders.
So you just get a ring, it would snap on there, and then I can fit it onto one of these bottles. I can change it out, use the other ring,
And you're getting both those rings.
and you're getting both those rings, and you can fit them on this bottle. So it really depends on the need that you have. We have extenders that you can actually increase the size of each one. So depending if you want to put eye drops or if you want to actually have larger
Oh, wow.
medications or vitamins or supplements, the value could actually fit in, the products can actually fit into the compartments if needed.
And it's just an easy
Clear.
switch on, switch off.
Yeah.
Now, take us through, kind of give us a little tour of this. And you know what? It probably most likely will be
On
this,
on these, yeah.
on
Let me
just
change-
one.
I'll
If
change
you
it
don't
right
want to
there.
confuse anyone and, you know, just today's Monday, you put Monday on and that's it. Or you can have them all there ready to go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So when we get this home,
The first
you're
thing you
going
wanna
to
do is
charge
charge
it.
it.
Right.
So the idea is if you're comfortable plugging in the USB cable, you can operate the product. Charger comes in there, the wall plug as well, so you get both.
You don't always get the brick. Nowadays, you get the brick with this one
Yes.
and the USB charger. So it will keep it charged for about a week.
A 3-hour charge will last at least 7 days. We recommend when you're filling your pills, just go ahead and fill your battery.
Yeah.
And you can
smart.
program it on the other side for once a day, twice a day, or 3 times a day.
Now, how do you do that?
So there's a button when you push it, it'll speak to you the last time, it'll speak to the current setting.
Clear.
Clear is no reminder. You will still get the last open notification, so think as needed medication. If I long press on it, I'm going to scroll through the menu until I come back to clear.
Clear. Demo. 24. 12. 6. Clear.
So if you
Demo.
hear, if I
Demo.
want to stop, if I want to be notified every 12 hours, do you just let go when it says 12?
Correct. So if I go to 12,
24. 12.
I let go. And now every time I push the button,
12.
it's going to announce the current setting. So now every time I open it and I close it, timer is going to restart automatically.
And what does it sound like when you hear the alarm?
Yeah, so that'll actually go to demo now. So
Okay.
I'll scroll through, and demo is going to demonstrate what that call to action is, what you're waiting for.
Demo.
So you get a water drop and a light. You'll get 3 of those, and then you'll hear pill time.
Pill time.
Now the benefit is you can push the button, and because it's demo, if I missed it, I'll get a red light.
1 minute ago.
Once
Once you open it,
Last.
green light.
Perfect.
1.
So just with that information, you know, did I take it or did I not?
This is something we've never done before. If you're trying it out new today, remember, we have 30 days to return. So if you don't love it, if it doesn't work for you, try out the app. You can always return it, but we've taken $10 off the price today. Mort, thank you so much.
Thank
It was
you very
so
much, Terri.
great to have you
Appreciate
here.
it.
That went by too fast. I didn't even hear the story of how you invented it. Next time, I think that
Next
one's
time.
going to be very popular.
Thank you.